Hello everyone. We're here right now in Sacramento. Look at Sacramento. Yeah, so a little bit traffic since earlier. But thank God we're almost here now. Earlier I've been waiting, So, kamusta na? Good morning and good afternoon or good evening sa ibang bansa. So, of course, excuse me. Yes, kamusta naman kayo dyan? So, isang magandang araw sa lahat. Kamustahan lang po tayo. So, medyo na-traffic ako today. Supposedly, kanina pa ako dumating dito 30 minutes ago sa puntahan ko. Dahil medyo sa traffic, kaya medyo na-delay tayo. Yes, we're here in Sacramento. This is the capital of California. So, mag-attend tayo ng isang convention or conference. Medyo nauha ko. I'm thirsty. Oh my, I dropped my water. Yun lang. Gusto ko lang mga musta sa inyong lahat. And then, we're very close. Only like 2.6 miles. So, not bad. 2.6 miles na lang. Kailangan medyo traffic. Kaya, yan. So, habang naka-vacation tayo, today until Sunday, it's time to celebrate, to have time to relax and enjoy time and to learn something new. Kaya this is one of convention na palaging ko inaabangan because I know there's something special for me to learn more and to understand more sa buhay. Yes, we're here gonna exit and hello, Serena Flores, how are you? Been a long time. Didn't see you, so we're gonna be exiting here close to Sacramento.
In a quarter mile, take exit 4A for I-5 North toward Redding.
So we're gonna be exiting in few more mile, half mile. Yes. Yan, nandito tayo. Welcome to Sacramento. It's the place for
Take exit 4A, then use the left lane to take the I-5 North ramp.
Oh, yeah, I miss it. So we need
Use
to...
the left lane to take the I-5 North ramp.
Okay, I think I need to go to the other side.
Take exit 4B.
Okay, let's go to the 4B. 4B, I mean the 4A. Wow, look at the traffic
In
here.
a quarter mile, sharp left onto 5th Street.
Left and okay, so we're here in Sacramento. Okay, let's turn left here.
At the light, sharp left onto 5th Street.
Yeah, so how many miles left? 6 minutes. Marating natin yung place na puntahan natin, gusto ko lang magkamustahan sa inyong lahat. Kung saan man kayo ngayon, nanonood sa akin, thank you so much. And of course, excited naman tayo kasi meron tayong time to spend time for ourselves and to have a vacation, to have a conference. And of course, we're here in Sacramento, California.
Continue on 5th Street for 1 mile.
And this is the place where our capital of California is Sacramento. So, yeah, I'm driving by myself, and traveling alone. Kasi yung mga iba kong friend, tomorrow pa silang available. So there is about like more than 2 hour and 30-minute drive. Medyo traffic kasi, kaya instead of hour and 45 minutes, kaya medyo natagalan tayo. Yes, make a shout out to everyone wherever you are watching right now, and wishing you the best, good health and more blessings, and lalo na sa mga tao nag-celebrate ng mga birthday nila and anniversary. Kamusta kayo dyan? Kung saan man kayo nanonood ngayon, kasi basta ako, I'm so excited for this 3 days na maraming magandang mangyayari sa buhay natin. It's a life-changing opportunity. Every single day is always a great opportunity, a great blessing from God. Yeah, so I remember this place. Ito yung lugar kung saan mga politician dito sa California, mga senators or congressmen and women, representative, dito sila nag-attend ng mga, yung mga offices pala nila. At saka may mga event dito palagi. So, this is Sacramento. Wait, let's see Sacramento. Yan, dito po tayo. So, nandito tayo sa capital city. Capital of California is Sacramento. So, yes. I remember one time pumunta kami dito to join po a rally. You know, being a children and youth advocate, so we're coming here. So here you can see ang daming mga police na in the area to make sure everybody's safe to come here. Mga police na umiikot to make sure to monitor sa atin. Wow, this is the golden. So this is toward the basketball team, right? So maghanap tayo ng parkingan. Oh, yan, dami mga police sa area na to.
In 800 feet, turn right onto J Street.
So we're here in 308. Oh. So we're gonna close here.
At the light, turn right onto J Street, then turn right onto 6th Street.
So we're gonna turn right in the J Street, right? Letter J. Yeah. Dito sa taas ko, sa taas because we're in the under siya dito yung naglalaro ng basketball. Ano ba yung tawag natin? Yung Sacramento Kings. So dito tayo pupunta. Okay? So we're here in the J Street. Somebody crossing the street. Make sure we need to give way. Okay, my turn. Welcome to Sacramento, California. I'm not sure kung saan tayo mag-park. It's my first time to come to this area. Yan, parang San Francisco din ang Sacramento.
Turn right onto 6th Street, then your destination will be on the left.
Turn right on the 6th Street. Oh, okay. One way pala dito. Let's go. Dito, turn right on the 6th Street. Oh, but I don't see that I can get in there. Really? So let's see, like find the parking. Hello, Jen Lee. Kamusta ka dyan? I know you're watching from Tacloban City. Good morning. So, kailangan ko mag-back up dito. But I need to move. Hanapin ko muna yung parking space kung saan ako magpa-park dito. We're going in. Alam mo, car na pa. Yes. Kamusta na? Kamusta kayo mga kaibigan, mga kababayan, mga kaabyan? So, what I'm going to do now, I need to find a parking. Kasi pumunta ako doon sa isang place. I cannot find a parking. So, thank you for giving me way. I appreciate that. Mabait ito mga driver, they always giving way. So what we're going to do now is to find a parking. Let's find a space. So dito tayo. Yes, good morning. So let's see if
500 feet, turn left onto 8th Street.
I don't know why he want me to turn in the 8th Street. Okay. And you know, have the first street, second street, third street, fourth street, ganyan yun dito. So ngayon nandito tayo sa 7th Street. Okay.
In 800 feet, turn right onto L Street.
L Street. So I'm not sure I can park here. Okay, never mind. I try to figure out where to park. First time ko pumunta dito at maghanap ng parkingan. It's like 2 hours, 30-minute drive from San Jose, California, going to here in Sacramento, California. And Sacramento is the capital city of, the capital of the state of California. So all the documents and our Congress or representative used to live here. No, not only used to live here, they're living here. And of course, Mostly the people like going to Raleigh or they always come here. I used to come here several times when I'm going to attend some rally connected to children, youth, and families. So yeah, it's a place. Oh my God! So now I need to figure out to find a parking. Kamusta ka na, Jin Lee? Wishing you the best and good health and more blessing. Ang dami ko nakita mga kainan. Nagugutom na ako. Pero meron akong baon for today. Of course, yung baon ko is Filipino food. Para kung saan ako makarating mamaya. Ano oras na ako makauwi? Evening. At least meron akong baon na. Alam niyo, guess what? Anong baon ko? Kung Filipino kayo, you will know what food I'm bringing for my dinner for today. Oh, it's a long line. Yes. So, guess nga, halaan nyo, yun ang baon kong food. Yeah, pag nahulaan nyo, meron kayong pang Gcash loaf for 500 pesos. Oh, hindi ko na alam saan ako mag-park
At the
dito.
light, turn right onto L Street.
I think Bali parking. Let's see how much is the Bali parking. Siguro mag-Bali parking na lang ako. Oh, this is another place that we can park. Oh my God! Just imagine the Bali parking is $47 to overnight and $12 daily. Okay, dito na lang tayo. So dito, check natin, magpa-Bali parking tayo. Nakita niyo yan? Bali parking, you have to pay $47 overnight or you can pay $12 daily. So siguro I wanted to choose the $12 daily. And let's see what happened. So this is the Hyatt downtown Sacramento. So actually we're gonna be staying in Embassy Suite. So Embassy Suite yun ang kung saan kami mag-stay for or here while we're here. But of course, hindi pwede talagang punta ko dito na wala akong sasakyan. I love to drive. So let's see. We're gonna go right here. So let's check first. Hold on for a second. And allow me to talk to the guys about the Bali parking. Okay, we can get the phone, we can talk to the guy, and check what you're gonna say. Okay? Bumaba na tayo sa sasakyan natin. Yeah, and then we're going to attend a convention. So this is the play with the people like watching the basketball. You know, the Sacramento King. And they have a restaurant here. They call Con Azúcar Cafe. T-Mobile. And the people right there now. So, and they have late night happy hours. Or 8 p.m. closed, really. They're closed on Sunday. Oh, to Thursday. Wow, unlimited. And this is the Sacramento Kings. Right? The Sacramento Kings. Right here. And this is, wow, it's a Golden One Center, the Sawyer Century Theater. Yeah, so if you're watching basketball, example, Golden State Warriors, LA Lakers, and this one is Sacramento Kings. So this is the place where the people playing basketball. And if you want to get your tickets, of course you need to come here. Right now there's a lot of people online. Hello, good morning, partner Catherine. Hopefully everything good for you. I know you went through some difficult moment of your life right now, but I do believe everything gonna be okay. So we here, there's a lot of people. We're going to attend a convention. It's time for my vacation. Oh, thank you. So, yeah, ibang-ibang lahin makikita natin dito. People right here. They're in the line to check in. Wow, the line is too long. Just imagine here, people are waiting. Yeah, the people from all parts of USA and Canada. Diba? Ang haba ng pila. Just imagine, may back all the way there. Yeah, so makikita naman natin. And good, but the good thing is there's a lot of restaurant and drinks to eat, to drink here and eat. Oh my God, ganito talaga, you to be disciplined yourself. Hello. Just it. Yan, tingnan mo. People are waiting in line. Oh my God, just imagine I will be in this line long, but I don't have choice. I need to be patient waiting. Yeah. This is called Golden Center Guerrero. Yeah. I don't know what on the other side. Oo, nandito tayo sa downtown. So, maganda kasi maraming kainan dito. Nagbaon pa ako ng food ko to make sure. And in front of me, merong bakery. Yan. And just imagine, look at this line from here all the way there. And I'm the last person in the line. Imagine, ang line hanggang doon sa pinaka akong pinaka-last, but it's okay. I learned to be patient. You know, our convention started tomorrow, but I want to come ahead of time as earlier as I can. I want to make sure myself physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually prepared. So the most important, whatever we do, is the preparation, right? Yes. Thank you so much. Hi, Catherine. Pupunta ka ba ano? Are you going tomorrow Monday sa school for our food feeding? So just let me know. So ito yung mga kasamahan natin. So I think ang haba ng pila. Yeah. Kasi this is the convention around USA and Canada. Yes, mahaba talaga yung ang haba. So it's around USA, Canada, and we're expecting about 15,000 people to come here starting today. Because it's a 4-day event. Today is Thursday in the afternoon, and then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So naka-off na ako sa work ko. So that's why. Oh, may makikita pala tayo ditong mga basketball player. I don't know what the guy's name either. Oh, this is a basketball player. One of those is Keon Ellis. Wow, Keon Ellis. And the other one is, Jonas Valanciunas. Actually, nakita ko na yun si Jonas in person. I mean, nakita ko na siya kasi nanood ako ng basketball talaga ng Warriors. So, I think Jonas, hindi ko matandaan kung anong team siya dati bago naging Sacramento. Sana nga may makita tayo mga players dito today. Hindi ako pumunta dito para manood ng basketball, okay? Pumunta ako dito kasi meron kaming big convention together with USA and Canada. So, what I said earlier, we're expecting about 15,000 people here na darating. So, I'm so glad. So, I'm driving almost 2 hours and a half today. So, but anyway, you know, I love driving. So, what I said, I mentioned earlier, Sacramento is our capital of the state of California, not Los Angeles, not San Francisco, it's Sacramento. So, mostly sa mga Congress men and women or representatives, they live in this area. Kasi kumbaga, kung sa Pilipinas, ito siya parang, you know, parang capital, di ba? May mga capital sa mga every provinces. Sa Pilipinas, guys, sa Negros Occidental, yung capital nila na sa Bacolod, ganon. So, dito naman sa California, dito sa Sacramento. So, I'm in the Sacramento right now. So I will be here for almost like 4 days. So naka-off vacation. Date is 25 partner. 25 Jan. So 24 kami dito. So yeah. So my husband's birthday coming soon on July 27. So meron kaming konting celebration doon sa mga kabataan sa elementary school. Ito, ang haba ng mga pila. Tingnan nyo from there all the way sa pinakadulo doon. Yan. Yeah. Ang daming mga pula doon. And then here. Mukhang konti lang tingnan sa harap pero madami to. And then here, all the way there. Yeah.
Last time when I bring up people, they all want to be there for so long. They don't want to go to any office.
Yeah, so guys, thank you so much and see you later. And then I cannot wait to buy the ice cream in front of me there. There's ice cream right there. And there's a jumbo juice. And they have a bakery there, so that's good. Yeah, and they have a coffee on the other side. This is a good place. Medyo mainit lang, so a little bit hot. Okay, thank you, and see you next time. Bye.